Good afternoon. My name is Heather, and today we are going to be doing some easy stretches that you can do even in bed. It is going to be just a relaxing way to wind down so that you can have just a really good night's sleep. Let's all start by coming to bring our soles on the floor or on the bed. Gently roll onto your back. In this ponytail, it's actually not working for me, so I'm going to take it out real quick. There we go. And lift up the hips just a little bit. Shift them a few inches to the right. Lower them back down. Lower the left foot and leg to the ground. Take this left hand, and guide your right knee up and over to the left side. Right hand can come palm face up, either straight out or in a cactus arm like me, to the other side of you. You can look up or towards that right hand. And just relax and breathe. Gently untwist. Bring this left sole to the floor. Let's just lift up the hips to shift back to center. And then bring this right knee into the chest. Flex through that foot and then cross that ankle over the left knee. Welcome to stay here if your hips are feeling pretty tight. If you want to take it a little deeper, lift up this left foot, thread both hands through, and then grab onto the back of the left thigh. Relax the shoulders, relax the jaw. Maybe even close the eyes in these positions. Gently lower that foot back down. Uncross. Send both hands down, lift up the hips, shift them a little bit to the left, and then lower the right leg to the floor. Let's take it to the other side. Right hand guides the left knee up and over to the right side. Left arm comes palm face up, either in a cactus arm or straight out to that side of you. You can take the gaze up or towards this left palm. Or again, close the eyes. Gently untwist. Bring this right sole back to the ground or the bed. Lift up the hips, come back to center, and then send this left knee into the chest. Flex through that foot, cross it over the right knee. Again, option to stay here if you did on the other side. If you want to take it deeper, lift up that right foot, thread the hands through, and grab a hold of the back of the right thigh. Letting yourself find some ease. So wherever that is for you. Slowly lower that foot back down to the ground, uncross, and then send both knees into the chest. Give them a little hug. You can even lift the head up for a bit to reach for the knees. And then gently release back to the floor. Flex through both feet and open the knees, take them out wide. See if you can grab a hold of the outer edges of your feet and take the knees outside of the armpits, just out wide. And then release the feet. See if you can bring both soles of the feet together and slowly lower them down into a reclined goddess, taking the knees out wide, legs in a diamond shape, and both palms come to either side of you, facing up. Relax the face, soften through the forehead, the cheeks. And maybe take this time to scan the body and see where else you can focus your breath and where else you can soften. And when you're ready, sending one leg out and then the other to come to lie down in Shavasana, keeping palms face up, closing the eyes if they weren't already. I'm going to leave you here in Shavasana. I hope that you have a good night's rest and have a wonderful one. Namaste. I'll see you again soon.